Whiteshell Laboratories is situated on the traditional lands of Treaties 1 and 3, the lands of the Anishinaabe, Ojibwe Anishinaabe, and the homeland of the Red River Métis. The area in which we are situated is also home to Indigenous peoples from across the region and Canada. CNL is grateful to have the opportunity to work on these traditionally and culturally significant lands and waterways. For decades, some of Canada's brightest minds worked out of Whiteshell Laboratories, advancing unique, made-in-Canada nuclear science and technology. Now, a new generation of talented experts are conducting a complex, one-of-a-kind nuclear remediation project to restore the land and prepare for the future. We've already taken down over 40 buildings and safely transported more than 6,700 cubic meters of low and intermediate level waste for storage at the Chalk River Laboratories located in Ontario. When we're done, there will be 10,800 acres of land cleaned up, and less than 1% of the former laboratory site is planned to remain under federal stewardship. We're planning for tomorrow today. By working with Indigenous nations and local communities, we can incorporate their perspectives into the plan and get the job done safely, the right way. In any journey towards safety and excellence, challenges are inevitable. At Whiteshell Laboratories, our path has been marked by resilience, learning, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Over the past 4 years, we've faced challenges that required us to pause and reflect. We put in place 3 stand-downs to ensure safety. These moments were tough, but they were pivotal for our site. Our team embraced these challenges with a spirit of determination. We knew that to move forward, we had to first confront our weaknesses and build on our strengths. One of the most significant improvements has been our training programs. We've revamped our approach, making it more interactive and relevant. Our fire protection program has seen a transformation. We've invested in state-of-the-art equipment and intensified our training efforts.
There is immense pride in what we do to ensure the safety of our staff and neighboring communities.
Beyond technical improvements, we've focused on enhancing morale and strengthening our organizational culture.
The culture here has started to shift. There's a greater sense of teamwork and support across all departments.
Our commitment to the surrounding communities and our relationship with Indigenous nations remains unwavering.
We continue to engage meaningfully, understanding that our success is intertwined with theirs.
At Whiteshell Laboratories, our journey towards excellence is ongoing. We face challenges head-on, and through teamwork and dedication, we have emerged stronger. Safety is not just a priority, it is our way of life, and together we're building a safer, more resilient future for the next generation.
Our team is committed to safely and compliantly achieving the cleanup mission here. We're a learning organization with great people that are motivated to progressing this project forward. Through our decommissioning and restoration work, we will achieve our mission and produce a sustainable future.